Hello mga kawanderham! Ang video natin ngayon ay tungkol sa mga examples ng laws of exponent. So, 2 cubed times 2 to the 4th, kokopyahin mo lang yung 2, add mo yung exponent, 3 plus 4 equals 7. 2 to the 5th over 2 cubed, kopyahin mo uli yung 2. Pag minusin mo, 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 squared raised to the third power, so kokopyahin mo yung 5. Pag multiply mo yung 2 times 3 equals 6. 5 squared over 6 squared. So parehas na squared, pwede mo siyang gawing 5 over 6 quantity squared. 7 raised to the 0 power. Lahat ng i-raise sa 0 ay equal sa 1. 2 raised to negative 3. Ilalagay mo sa denominator yung 2. Tapos magiging positive yung 3. 3 raised to the 1 half. Kokopyahin mo yung 3. At lalagay mo square root. Square root of 3. 2/3 quantity raised to the 4th power. So, i-raise mo sa 4 yung numerator. I-raise mo rin sa 4 yung denominator. 4 raised to the negative 3 over 5 raised to the negative 2. So, yung 4 to the negative 3, lalagay mo sa denominator, magiging 4 cube. 5 negative 2, lalagay mo sa numerator, magiging positive 2. 2 times 3, parenthesis squared. So, magiging 2 squared times 3 squared. Na-distribute yung exponent. 5 raised to 2/3. Kopyahin mo yung 5. Yung numerator 2, yun yung exponent. Yung denominator 3, yun yung index nung radical. So 5 squared tapos cube root. 7 over 9, parenthesis, raised to negative 2. So gagawin mo lang siyang, babaliktarin mo lang, 9 over 7 raised to positive 2. So yan po ang ating video for today. Kung may natutunan po kayo, please like, share sa inyong mga classmate, best friend, tropa at crush. At pasubscribe nyo na rin sila sa ating YouTube channel. Bye-bye!